Hello everyone, how are you? This is a Al Amin. Today I would like to talk about my daily tasks. So let's start. First of all, thank you for give me your valuable time. Today I wake up early in the morning because I have a work. After that I go to the tube because I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast at around 8:30 p.m. After that, I am going to work. Then I am start my work. After that, I am finish my work. Then I eat breakfast at around 11 p.m. After that, I am return start my work. Then I finish my work at around 5 p.m. After that, I took bath in the big fan. Then I'm go to the rail line because I am making my daily tasks in the front of my mobile camera as much as possible because I'm hurt if I make one video then I will have been fluent for learning English language as much as possible. I believe if I work hard, then I will able to do one day. So that's all about me. Thank you everyone for your patience here.